Hello everyone, my name is Imtiaz Hossain and today I am presenting my submission for assignment 1, the Bhangti Chai Taka Change Calculator. The objective of this assignment was to create an Android application that takes a currency amount of Bangladeshi Taka and calculates the minimum number of notes required to make the amount using standard denominations like 500, 150 and so on. I have implemented this using a custom numeric keypad, a greedy algorithm for the calculation, and a responsive UI that supports both phone and tablet layouts in portrait and landscape modes. Let's look at the application in action. Here is the main screen. Instead of using the system keyboard, I have built a custom numeric keypad. As I type digits, for an example, let's enter 688. You can see the total amount updating at the top in real time. Below it, the breakdown table immediately updates to show the count of for each note. For 688 taka, we need one 500 taka note, one 100 note, one 50 note, one 20 note, one 5 taka note, and one 2 taka note, and one 1 taka note. I have also included a clear button to reset the input easily. First of all, I want to show you the responsiveness. If I rotate the device to landscape mode, you can see the layout adjust. The keypad moves to the side to make the better use of the horizontal space. The app also supports the tablets. I have created a specialized layout for larger screens to ensure UI looks professional across all Android device categories. If I also press 688 here, it will show the breakdown here. And if I just rotate it down, it will show it like this. Also, there is a clear button by which we can easily clear the amount in both cases. Now let's dive into the code. First, I want to show the core logic in change calculator.kt. I have separated the calculation logic into a pure Kotlin object. This makes the code cleaner and allows for easy unit testing. I'm using our greedy algorithm. We define our denominations in an array from largest to smallest. The change for function takes the total amount, iterates through these denominations, and calculates how many of each note fits using integer division. The remainder is then passed to the next smaller denomination. To ensure the logic is flawless, I wrote several unit tests in change calculator test.kt. These tests cover various scenarios, including the ones provided in the assignment screenshots. For an example, if the user inputs 68, then it should show one note of 50 taka and one note of 10 taka, one note of 5 taka, and one note of 2 taka, and one note of 1 taka. Next, let's look at main activity.kt file. This is where the UI interaction happens. I used a string called entered to keep the track of the digits. When a keypad button is pressed, the onDigit function here, onDigit function basically appends that digit. Okay. Then in the update UI method, we basically take the string and convert into a long call our change calculator and then update the text views in our table. I've also implemented on save instance state and restore the state in onCreate. This ensures that if a user rotates the screen while they're halfway through typing an amount, their input isn't lost. Finally, here is the layout structure. You can see that I have multiple activity main XML files in different resource folders. This for the standard portrait, and this one is for the landscape, and this one is for the tablets. Okay, so this allows basically the system to automatically select the best UI based on the device screen, size, and orientation. Conclusion, the Bhangtijai app successfully meets all the assignment requirements. It provides an intuitive interface, handles complex UI transitions smoothly, and uses a robust algorithm to solve the change calculation problem. Thank you.